everyone, welcome back to Continental Food and Cake TV. If today is your first time here, you are highly welcome. My name is Joy. In today's video, I'm so excited to share this Ayamase sauce recipe with you all. Ayamase sauce is a Nigerian sauce that tastes delicious and yummy. To cook the Ayamase, I'm using goat meat. So here I have goat meat that I've washed. To that I'm adding chopped onion, then add seasoning cube. After that, I add dry thyme for the flavor, then add salt. After salt, I add garlic and ginger, chopped garlic and ginger. Then I mix together to combine. Very important. After mixing until it's well combined, I cover the pot with the lid and transfer the goat meat to a high heat to cook until it's soft. So the next step is to bleach the palm oil. To cook Ayamase, you need a palm oil that's been bleached. To do that, I have my pot in a high heat, and to that I'm adding palm oil, enough for me to cook the Ayamase. And with the palm oil, I'm going to bleach it. It takes between 1 to 20 minutes depending on the heat you're using. I'm using a high heat. And I'm going to advise you, when you're bleaching your oil, you need to open your window because it's very smoky. The next ingredients for Ayamase is green bell peppers. You can't cook Ayamase without green bell peppers. So with the green bell peppers, I've washed it off camera. So next I open it to take off the seed. Very important step. The seed of the bell pepper is bitter. You don't want that. So after taking off the seed, I cut the bell peppers into pieces so that it will be easy for me to blend in my food processor. After prepping the green bell pepper and cutting it into small pieces, this is the finished product. So next I'm transferring to a big bowl. The next ingredients you need for your Ayamase is onion, scotch bonnet, and I'm using the long pepper that I have in my freezer. Please try and use 2 types of onion for that flavor. You need that flavor, the red onion and the white onion or yellow onion. So the scotch bonnet you add according to your preference or how you can take the heat. Some people like it too spicy, some people like it medium spice, medium hot or something. So I transfer it. So after prepping the bell peppers and the scotch bonnet onion, the next step is to blend. And I'm using a food processor, but you can also use a blender. But when you're using a blender, be careful, you don't want to add too much water, because if you add a lot of water, that means you have to boil the pepper down. So, and when you're blending your pepper for Ayamase, you don't want to blend it smooth. You blend it and not smooth. You want to see the pieces of the onion and pepper. That's the consistency you should be going for, not a smooth one. Yeah, you will see. I'll show you when I finish blending what it looks like. You don't want to blend it smooth. So this is what you want. Do you see that? You see the pieces of the pepper, the onion. That is Ayamase for you. So this is the finished product after blending. As you can see, it's not smooth. It's not smooth. You can even use a mortar if you have a mortar to, to pound it or something like that. So here I have the bleached oil, and with the oil I allow it to cool down a bit. Please remember to allow your palm oil to cool down after bleaching it. So you can see the color now is changed, it's gone dark. So here I have the goat meat that has been cooking for at least 25 minutes. Remember, you can use any meat of your choice, chicken, beef, whatever meat you like, but I'm using goat meat. So also now it's time to fry the meat, and I'm using the same palm oil to fry my meat. Yeah, because I don't want to use, while I'm frying the meat is also going to release the flavor in the oil. So that's why I'm using the same palm oil that I'm going to use to make the Ayamase to fry my meat. So with the meat, I fry until it turns golden brown. And goat meat cannot disappoint you. Goat meat will never disappoint you. So if you want to cook your Ayamase with goat meat, try it and come back and thank me, because it tastes so delicious with goat meat. I love Ayamase more with goat meat than, yeah, but you can add other meat, but goat meat is number one. So once the goat meat is ready, golden brown, well fried, I take it out and put it in a plate for use later. But I found out that the goat meat is not enough because Ayamase, I like a lot of meat. So what I did was I went to my freezer and I got some fried meats that I have in my freezer. So this is turkey and this is shaki. That's one thing with Ayamase, you can throw in any meat that you have, a leftover meat you have in your house. So I transferred the oil to a big pot. So to that I'm adding ginger and garlic, then add iru. Iru is a locust beans. You can't cook Ayamase without iru. Mbano. So now I'm adding the blended pepper, the green bell pepper and the scotch bonnet, everything. So this is where the magic starts. This is where the magic of Ayamase starts. So here you're going to fry this until it fries down. It takes up to half an hour. Now I add 1.5 teaspoon of chicken seasoning. After that, I add some salt. After adding the salt, I also add grinded hot pepper. Yes, we need it hot. So after adding the pepper, I mix together to combine and continue frying. As I said, Ayamase is frying. You have to fry. It takes between, depending on the quantity of your pepper, this took me about 30 minutes. Yeah, so you keep frying and frying. I'm going to take you through the process, but I'm just getting you ready. It's not something you do in 5 minutes. So this is 20 minutes later. It's not ready. So this is where some people get Ayamase wrong. Some people fry their pepper to this stage and they think it's ready. Bano. This is not ready. Ayamase sauce, you need to fry it until it changes from green to dark brown. You know that coffee color? That's what you want. So continue frying, and I'm still frying. So you fry until you get to this stage. Did you see the magic? This is what you want. You have to fry your pepper, because sometimes when I go to party and I eat Ayamase, I say, no, this person did not fry the pepper very well. You know, say me, I be village girl. So this is the before and this is after. So you want to achieve this before you stop. Your neighbor should be smelling the smell of the aroma of the frying. If there's any English like that. So guys, this is the consistency. This is what you want. Ayamase, that's the base. So now let's take it to another level. Add your goat's meat. Add any meat of your choice. Ayamase does not choose meat. I just love goat's meat. That's it. Add it in and now add the stock. This stock does not have water. You can see how thick it is. So that's also going to add flavor to this Ayamase. Hey! Look at this Ayamase. Is it calling your name? Do you live near me? Call me and I'll give you some. So I mix together to combine. Please do not add water to your Ayamase. If you add water, you don't spoil them. Mix together until it's combined. After mixing together until it's combined, just cover the Ayamase and allow it to simmer for at least 5 minutes. And that is it. Voila! Your Ayamase is ready. Guys, if you follow this recipe step by step on how I show you to cook your Ayamase, when you present this or you serve this to your friends or your party, people will keep talking about that Ayamase for weeks. So you want to try this recipe, try it. And have you give this video a thumbs up? You need to give my video a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel and give, share with your friends and family. Share this recipe with your friends and family. So next up, I'm going to show you how I serve it. I use a white rice, but you can use Ofada rice. Yes. And you can just have it with sliced bread. See, one thing I love about Ayamase sauce, not only can you eat it with rice, I've eaten Ayamase sauce with plantain, boiled fried plantain, boiled yam. It is versatile, but a lot of people prefer to eat it with Ofada rice. So this is how to cook Ayamase. I hope this video helps you out. I hope you've learned how to cook Ayamase from this video. And please leave your comment, give this video a thumbs up and share with your friends and family and subscribe. I love you all and I will see you in another video. Bye bye.